Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my nook. My name is Nora G. Today I will be showing you a simple at-home birthday decor setup and also a cake makeover. Specifically, a Walmart cake makeover. Stay tuned. For this setup, I will be using a round metal arc, some cherry blossoms, and that will be both white and blush, and also some zip ties. I will post the links to get these in the description box below. This was a last-minute surprise birthday party for a 25th silver jubilee. We didn't just want the day to go by without any kind of recognition. It is a milestone birthday, for crying out loud. Anyway, my able assistant, Calix, and I decided to go to work. I used the green faux grass carpet to blend the background scenery, that is the green bushes, just because we will be using a lot of pinks and I just wanted some kind of contrast, at the same time something that would tie in with the background scenery. This is a very easy and simple backdrop setup. I am basically just using the zip ties to tie up the cherry blossoms onto the metal arc. Keep adding cherry blossoms until you can no longer see the arch. You can choose to make this fuller, or you can just keep it simple and make it a little bit light. That is your choice. I wanted to go for balloons, being that we had only 24 hours to prepare for this, but then again, I felt we needed something different for a change. The entire process of adding the cherry blossoms onto the arc took us roughly about 20 minutes or less. By now, it is obvious to you that this is for a girl, so we were going for a different shades of pink. I decided to add some roses, some pink roses into the cherry blossoms just to give it a little bit of pop. So I added the roses only to the top part of the arc, mainly because that is our focal point. If I was not setting up any table in front of the arc, I would definitely be filling out the entire arc with roses. I will be using the dessert stands that I made from my previous video. Link is found at the top of this video. You can click on the link to watch. This costed me $17 tax inclusive to make them. Make sure to check out that video. So we will be using that in this video. And of course, what is a silver jubilee birthday party without some silver? So we will be incorporating some silver through the use of silver foil balloons. It was a very windy day, so we had to hold the balloons in place so it's not dancing around. And here we have our simple decor setup for a 25th birthday party. Create memories with simple backdrop setups for pictures. It doesn't have to be elaborate every time. Keep it simple and just have fun. Okay, now over to our cake makeover. This cake you see here was a last-minute idea. We didn't want any kind of thing, and we didn't have enough time either to order cake from the numerous cake bakers that we know. So I decided to spruce up some Walmart cake to match our decor, and here we go. This entire cake makeover cost me $30, so I bought 2 Walmart cakes for $10 each and some ready rolled fondant for $9.99. I got 2 because the cakes were very low and I needed a cake that was slightly high. So I scraped all the decor on the cake and basically doubled the cake up so it's high enough for the look we were going for. You know, they say desperate times calls for desperate measures. I used some ready rolled fondant that I got from Walmart over the cake, as you can see. Keep in mind that this was a last resort. If you're looking to getting a really good cake, I'm talking about taste, because obviously Walmart cakes do not taste all that good, you should definitely be seeking professional help from a professional baker, okay? I didn't have time to bake, talk less of actually doing a full-blown cake. So this was our go-to and it blended perfectly well with our decor setup. So back to our cake. So I used some gumballs to form our base and some ribbons to cover the sides of the cake, and then some extra roses on top of the cake, and just to give it some pop, and voila, we have our cake here. I loved how this turned out. It looks very much like a simple wedding cake, at the same time a very girly cake as well, and our celebrant really loved her cake. Let me know in the comment section if you would try something like this. And that is how we came about sprucing up a Walmart cake to match our backdrop for our 25th birthday party. You can see how well the cake blended in. There's no way that Walmart cake would have blended in with our decor, so we definitely needed to give it a makeover. And that is it for today with our simple birthday decor setup and our cake makeover. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to smash that like button. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you.